Pope Leo XIV ukuran mentagasni haki kun samla uang. Kohan men kopara mynta laga bangiai peteng ban hikai niam halor ka pang pedeng jong ka jubilee ka tim kelong ukris udai ka jingkerman jungi gisdangi ka jing pusan jungi halor ka jing sya shitam ka jing yap ka jing mi pad ukris ban pen ken mau yungi ya ka jing kongsan ban pen krek ban yo mat yo blai ne ban shem yo blai ha ka jing pule ka bangidang shupule mentan ki apostol ki lalingo ban shem baga kamraneng ladap pen krep ha narong shadong ban celebrate ban shim benta haga jing kawai bakhadu lakhat yangi ban shem yaga dur ka dar joga dodo jungi lajit ker pang yangi do turai kum gajaka bane kan du yu kumta ngidei ban jubab yaga jing khot uturai daga jing pun kre yaga do no jungi daga kamla isnei daga jing e jing map bat ka jing aitlet yelade knang ba urwan shong sa haga do no jungi uturai ukhot yaga jing troi lang jungi daga mon balai loy upan kan mau yangi yaga jing e pichisha bakam dei kakabu henry ka dei daga jing snguret bat kamon balai loy ban aitlet yelade dongin pan no utrai mendagasni bani kai ngi kumno bapan kre yaga jing wan jugu bat ban peding snop hai u daga do no ke bakaman Pope Leo XIV ulong ngapadeng snop hai boro ki pilgrim ki blawan mendagasni kam tame igitu ki bawan na South America, Vietnam, Canada, United States of America. Wala day ka por shuti por liyo donginum klat yaga jing khot uturai ban pen kra yaga donod daga be shimbanta daga jing kaman haga Eucharist bukhoy bat ban le ki kam sentiu mensen to blay un kur khui pi ulapan kot.
Brothers and sisters, today in our continuing catechesis on the Jubilee theme of Christ our hope, we begin our reflection on Jesus' passion, death, and resurrection by considering the importance of preparing for an encounter with God. In the passage that we just read, the disciples were surprised to find that the upper room had already been made ready for them to celebrate the Passover. We are invited to discover here an image of our own hearts, chosen and set aside by the Lord as a place of encounter with Him. First, however, we must respond to the Lord's initiative by preparing our hearts through concrete acts of love, forgiveness, and self-giving, so that He may come and dwell within us. By asking for our cooperation, He reminds us that true love, like the Passion itself, is not the result of chance, but a conscious and free decision to give of oneself. Let us ask the Lord today to teach us how to prepare for His presence and so be able to welcome Him and those around us into our hearts. I extend a warm welcome to all the English-speaking pilgrims and visitors taking part in today's audience. Especially those coming from South Africa, Vietnam, Canada, and the United States of America. During summer, a time normally set aside for holidays and recreation, let's not neglect the Lord's invitation to prepare our hearts by actively participating in the Eucharist and by doing generous acts of charity. May God bless you all.